Weren't your mama's only boy, but her favorite one it seemed. She began to cry when you said goodbye and sank into your dreams. Pancho was a bandit, boys. Horse was fast as polished steel. Wore a gun outside his pants for all the honest world to feel. Pancho managed what you know on a desert down in Mexico. Nobody heard his dying words. That's the way it goes. All the federalists say they could have had him any day, only let him hang around out of kindness, I suppose. Lefty, he can't sing the blues all night long like he used to. Dust that Pancho bit down south ended up in Lefty's mouth. They laid poor Pancho low as they split for Ohio, where he got the bread to go. Oh, there ain't nobody knows. All the federalists say they could have had him any day, only let him slip away out of kindness, I suppose. Poets tell how Pancho fell, Lefty's living in a cheap hotel. Desert's quiet and Cleveland's cold, so the story ends, we're told. Pancho needs your prayers, it's true. Save a few for Lefty too. He just did what he had to do. Oh, and now he's growing old. A few great federalists say they could have had him any day, only let him go so long out of kindness, I suppose.